Hi, my name is Petra Gurin, and my company is Ethnic Origin Company. I had a situation with Amazon. I'm an Amazon seller, and one of my listings got hijacked. I was, I guess, inexperienced. I did not realize that I had to brand register my listing for not to run into a hijacking situation. I reached out to my Amazon guy and to help me with fixing the situation. And they were very responsive. They educated me on the situation, what my steps are going to be, how do I have to approach the situation. They basically were in contact with me throughout the whole time. They gave me a whole plan. That first I had to put my brand back on my listing and then brand register. I was really pleased with their professional attitude. They're super responsive. They're absolutely very knowledgeable about what they're doing. So I'm very happy. My listing is back now. I brand registered. So I'm good to go. My sales increased. So I'm pretty happy. I definitely recommend them. Thank you.